Tim and healthy food. Tim and his friend, Jack, are in a park, playing and having fun with their friends. They sit on the grass for a break, surrounded by a spread of snacks and treats.
Yum! I love chips. They taste so good.
Jack looks at his bag filled with colorful fruits and vegetables, but Tim scolds him.
Jack, why did you bring those boring snacks? They're not tasty like chips.
Jack feels a bit sad but determined to explain.
Well, these fruits and vegetables are actually very delicious. They're also good for our bodies and give us energy.
Is that true? Can fruits and vegetables taste good?
Yes, Tim. Let me show you.
Jack explains to Tim how junk food can harm their bodies and why healthy foods are a better choice. Tim listens attentively.
Really? I never thought about it that way. Can I try some of your fruits and vegetables?
Jack happily shares his fruits and vegetables with Tim. Tim takes a bite of an apple and his eyes widen with surprise.
This apple tastes amazing, Jack. It's juicy and sweet.
Tim eagerly tries other fruits and vegetables, savoring each bite.
See, Tim? Eating these colorful and tasty fruits and vegetables can make you feel good inside and out.
You're right. From now on, I'll bring healthy foods with me like you.
Tim looks at his bag of chips, then empties it out. He replaces them with delicious fruits and vegetables.
Great choice, Tim. We can share our healthy snacks with our friends too.
The friends gather around, curious about Tim and Jack's new food choices. They all try the fruits and vegetables, discovering the joy of healthy eating together.